Imagine waking up one day and suddenly gravity disappears. From Earth, for just 5 seconds, people, cars, water, animals, and everything that isn't firmly attached could begin floating into the air. But here's the terrifying question. Would 5 seconds really be harmless? Or would it be enough to throw the entire planet into chaos? And what would happen the exact moment gravity returned? Let's find out. For the first second, everything would feel completely normal. Then, suddenly, anything that is not firmly attached to the ground would begin to float. People, phones, bags, furniture, and even small objects could rise into the air. You wouldn't be pulled upward by some mysterious force. You would simply become weightless because Earth would no longer be pulling you toward the ground. And this would only be the beginning of the chaos. Within seconds, the situation would become chaotic. People, animals, cars, and loose objects could begin floating because nothing would be pulling them firmly toward the ground. Cars might lose proper contact with roads, while phones, bags, furniture, and other objects could drift through the air. The oceans would also start behaving strangely. Gravity is what keeps enormous amounts of water resting on Earth's surface. Without it, water could begin lifting and shifting, creating unusual waves and dangerous movement across oceans, rivers, and lakes. Earth's atmosphere would be affected too. Gravity helps keep the air surrounding our planet. 5 seconds would not be enough for all the air to disappear into space. But the atmosphere could begin expanding and moving differently, causing sudden changes in pressure and wind. Aircraft could also face problems. Airplanes are designed to fly, while gravity constantly pulls them downward. If that force suddenly vanished, their movement could change unexpectedly, and passengers or loose objects inside the cabin could begin floating. But the most dangerous moment might happen when gravity suddenly returned. Everything that had floated upward would immediately begin falling back toward Earth. People, vehicles, water, furniture, and debris could crash down at the same time. The higher an object had moved, the more dangerous its fall could become. Water that had lifted from oceans and lakes could also come crashing back down, producing powerful waves and flooding in some areas. Cities could be filled with falling objects, while roads and buildings might suffer widespread damage. Even after gravity returned, the chaos would not immediately stop. Waves, damaged vehicles, falling debris, and disrupted transport systems could continue causing problems for hours. 5 seconds sounds incredibly short, but gravity controls almost everything around us. It keeps us on the ground, holds the oceans in place, keeps the atmosphere around Earth, and even helps control the movement of planets and moons. So, if Earth really lost gravity for just 5 seconds, it would not simply mean 5 seconds of fun floating in the air. Those few seconds could create worldwide chaos and leave behind serious destruction. Now imagine being outside when it happened. What would be the first thing you would try to hold on to? Tell us in the comments. And for more amazing science, space, and mystery facts, stay connected with FactNova.